In a world inundated with distractions, disillusionment, and despair, have you ever considered that the person holding the key to your future is staring back at you in the mirror? Earl Nightingale, one of the most influential voices in personal development, taught us that our thoughts shape our reality, and that the power to transform your life lies within each of us, waiting to be awakened. He understood a simple yet profound truth. If you want to achieve greatness, you must first cultivate the greatness that resides in your mind. Nightingale passionately shared his insights through his famed recordings and writings, urging us to realize the extraordinary potential that lives inside our ordinary selves. Imagine tapping into a wellspring of strength and creativity so powerful, it fills every moment with purpose, igniting a fire that burns bright against the shadow of doubt. You see, the world outside can often seem harsh, chaotic, and filled with uncertainty. But remember this: your inner strength must always be more robust than any external challenge that seeks to hold you back. Think about it. Why do some people rise above adversity while others falter? The answer lies in mindset and belief. When you commit wholly to your own vision, when you dare to dream larger than life and step boldly into the person you are meant to become, you can shatter the barriers that confine you. This is your moment to transcend mediocrity, embrace the extraordinary, and ignite that spark of greatness that is uniquely yours. As you embrace this journey, it's crucial to acknowledge that the path to greatness is rarely straightforward. It is often paved with challenges that test your resolve and push you to your limits. Picture climbing a steep mountain. Each step might be strenuous and the air can feel thin, but with every inch gained, your strength and determination grow. This is the essence of resilience, the unwavering spirit to keep moving forward despite obstacles. Every setback is an opportunity disguised as a challenge. Each failure can be a stepping stone to profound growth if you allow it. Reflect on those who inspire you, whether they are historical figures, celebrities, or your everyday heroes. What do they have in common? They faced struggles, accepted risks, and never shied away from hard work. They possess an unyielding belief in their purpose, a vision that fuels their passions, guiding them through the toughest times. You have the same potential. You, too, can develop a mindset that welcomes challenges as opportunities rather than threats. Start by framing your thoughts positively. When adversity strikes, ask yourself, what can I learn from this situation? This simple shift in perspective can unlock doors that seemed permanently closed. Remember, transformation begins with belief. Believing not just in your dreams, but in your ability to make them a reality. Seize this moment, harness your curiosity, and let your passion light the way as you embark on your journey toward the extraordinary. Every great journey begins with a single step, and within each of us lies the capacity to ignite that movement. Think about this. Who you are today does not have to define who you will be tomorrow. The only limits that exist are those you place upon yourself. Visualize your goals vividly. Imagine them not as distant dreams, but as tangible realities waiting for you to embrace them. Clarity is a powerful tool. When you see your destination clearly, each action you take draws you nearer to it. Take a moment to consider your daily habits. Are they lifting you toward your aspirations or dragging you further away? The choices we make each day, even the small ones, compound over time to shape our future. It's about building consistent habits that support your journey. Instead of looking at setbacks as failures, recognize them for what they truly are: moments of learning. Each time you stumble, dust yourself off and gather the insights. Those lessons are invaluable, equipping you with the tools to proceed stronger and wiser. Surround yourself with positivity. The people, books, and environments you engage with can greatly influence your mindset. Seek out those who inspire you, who believe in the extraordinary potential in everyone, including you. Share your dreams and aspirations with them. Their encouragement can act as fuel for your ambitions. Remember, you have the power to choose your circle, which can ignite your passions and propel you toward the greatness that is within your reach. As you step boldly into your journey of self-discovery, it's essential to harness the power of visualization. This technique is not just about dreaming, it's about vivid imagination and creating a clear mental picture of your desires and goals. Picture your success as if it were a movie playing out in your mind. See yourself achieving your dreams. Feel the emotions of triumph and joy, and immerse yourself in the details. When you allow your imagination to flourish, you set the stage for achievement. Visualization creates a mental blueprint, guiding your actions toward your objectives, no matter how lofty they may seem. Furthermore, embrace the practice of gratitude. Gratitude is a booster shot for your mindset, elevating your mood and sharpening your focus. When you consistently acknowledge the good in your life, no matter how small, you're training your brain to look for positive outcomes. Write down 3 things you're thankful for each day and watch how a simple practice can shift your perspective. This habit helps you build resilience, making it easier to face challenges with a positive attitude. Moreover, take time to reflect on your purpose. When your actions align with your core values, every step becomes infused with meaning. What drives you? What brings you joy? Discovering this truth is vital, as it serves as your compass, directing you toward a fulfilling life. When challenges arise, and they will, remembering your why will provide you with the strength to push through and keep moving forward. Embrace this path with open arms, for it leads to the extraordinary life waiting just for you. As you navigate this journey of self-discovery, remember the potency of resilience. Life will inevitably throw challenges your way, and how you respond can redefine your entire path. Consider resilience as a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. When faced with a setback, tap into that inner strength and allow it to propel you forward rather than hold you back. Think of the heroes in your life. They didn't reach their milestones without facing struggles. It is through their resilience that they transformed obstacles into stepping stones, proving that even in the face of adversity, you can rise stronger. Embrace the art of self-reflection as part of your daily routine. Set aside quiet moments to examine your experiences and emotions. Journaling can be a powerful tool in this process. When you write down your thoughts and feelings, you create a space for clarity. It's in this process that revelations often occur. You'll uncover patterns that illuminate your strengths and areas for improvement. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small, and take lessons from the challenges that have shaped you. Visualize yourself as the person you aspire to be. Picture your life filled with achievements and happiness. Allow this vision to inspire your daily actions and decisions. Each choice you make is a step toward that reality. When you align your actions with your dreams, you begin to download the blueprint of your future. As you build this fulfilling life day by day, let enthusiasm drive you forward And never underestimate the power of your determination. As you dive deeper into this transformative journey, let's talk about the magic of collaboration. Surrounded by a community that shares your aspirations can be a game changer. Engaging with others not only broadens your perspective, but also fuels your ambition. Think of it as planting seeds in a garden. Each person contributes unique insights and experiences, creating an ecosystem of growth and creativity. Seek out like-minded individuals who are also on their paths to greatness. These connections can spark ideas, inspire fresh thoughts, and remind you of your potential when you feel momentarily lost. Consider joining workshops, classes, or community groups related to your passions. Embrace opportunities to collaborate with diverse talents, whether it's through brainstorming sessions, group projects, or casual conversations over coffee. Each interaction has the potential to illuminate new pathways and uncover strengths you didn't know you had. When you create a supportive network, you add momentum to your journey. When setbacks occur, having allies who lift you up can make all the difference. They offer encouragement, share their stories of resilience, and provide the perspective needed to keep moving forward. Remember, collaboration is a two-way street. Be ready to lend your support and share your knowledge with others who are striving for their goals. Together, you can cultivate a thriving environment where everyone flourishes, fueled by mutual encouragement and shared ambitions. This sense of community is what propels you toward the extraordinary life that awaits. As you embark on this exciting journey, remember that consistency is your steadfast companion. Just as a small stream slowly carves its way through stone, your daily actions can create lasting change in your life. Every effort, no matter how small, compounds over time and contributes to the larger picture of your success. Think about the habits you admire in others. Successful individuals didn't get there overnight. Instead, they committed to their goals daily, showing up even when motivation waned. This dedication sets them apart and is what you must strive for as well. Now, let's talk about taking calculated risks. Growth often lies just beyond your comfort zone, waiting for you to take that leap of faith. Picture standing at the edge of a diving board, your heart racing as you prepare to jump. Yes, it's scary, but the thrill of overcoming that fear is what leads to personal breakthroughs. When you embrace uncertainty and venture into new experiences, you cultivate resilience and confidence. Allow yourself to be curious and open-minded. The world is brimming with opportunities waiting for your exploration. Harness that courage to pursue new skills, whether it's learning a musical instrument, experimenting with cooking, or dabbling in a new language. Each new pursuit expands your horizons, igniting that inner spark that fuels your journey. Celebrate every little victory, and don't shy away from failure. It's merely a stepping stone toward mastery. Embrace the process, and trust that the journey itself holds as much value as the destination. Every great adventure is filled with moments where the unexpected surprises you, and it's in these instances that growth truly happens. Think about the magic that unfolds when you step outside of your routine. The world is full of opportunities waiting to be uncovered, and flexibility is your key to unlocking them. Embrace spontaneity. Take a different route to work. Try a new restaurant, or attend an event you wouldn't normally consider. Each new experience opens your mind and enriches your life in ways you never imagined possible. Imagine the excitement that comes with breaking from the norm. Each small change introduces fresh perspectives, activating your creativity and inspiring new ideas. It's like adding colors to a canvas. A little splash here, a touch there, transforms your vision into a masterpiece. When you allow yourself to explore, you tap into the deeper layers of who you are, uncovering talents and interests that may have been buried under routine. Alongside this exploration, cultivate a spirit of curiosity. Question the world around you. Ask why, and seek to understand. Curiosity fuels passion, and when you are genuinely interested in the world, you'll find yourself drawn to opportunities that align with your values and goals. This journey isn't just about achieving, it's about embracing each moment and letting life unfold in surprising, delightful ways. Be open to the unknown, and watch as the path to your greatness becomes more illuminated with every step you take. As you stand at the end of this journey, take a moment to reflect on the incredible transformation that has unfolded within you. Realize that you are the architect of your destiny, equipped with the knowledge and tools to craft a life filled with purpose and passion. The flame of greatness flickers brightly within you, waiting to be fanned into a roaring fire. So keep pushing boundaries, challenging yourself, and embracing every opportunity that comes your way. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. It's only just begun. Take this wisdom and integrate it into your daily life. Make it a habit to pursue growth, welcome change, and nurture the relationships that inspire and uplift you. By doing so, you not only enrich your own life, but also light the path for others to follow. If you found value in these insights, here's your chance to make an impact. Share this message with friends, family, or anyone striving for their own greatness. You have the power to inspire others and create a ripple effect of positivity and motivation. Engage with us, subscribe to the channel, join our community, and stay updated on future content that fuels your journey. Your support is invaluable, and together we can build a movement of individuals reaching for their dreams. Each step you take makes a difference. So keep believing, keep striving, and always remember, greatness is within you. Now, go forth and unleash it upon the world.